Guys, what's up? Shane here. Just got back from a few stores. I did a East Side haul today, so it's mainly on Alexis. So it pretty much consists of Target, Myers, Kmart, and a Kroger. Alright, before I get onto that, I bought these a few days ago back at the Kroger I work at. And I have something else. I hopefully have something else coming along with those or related to that. Alright, first store I stopped at, Kmart. And of course, they actually had a dump-in up there for once. They never have displays there of any kind. Which I did find some pretty good stuff there. Give me a second while I get it all organized. I mean, the cards aren't in the best condition, but I did find some neat stuff. And of course, I'm just going to start with this. They have the real working rigs from $3, yeah, $3.99. So I had to get one of those. Almost got two, but decided not to. So that's a pretty neat one. Tracks and everything. And I found my first highway hauler there. Highway hauler 2. Let's see, found 2 mystery machines. And I believe 5 Angry Birds. Yeah. I also stopped at a video game electronics resale store. Bought this for my dad. He's he likes the band Korn and he likes hunting, so I had to pick that up. And for me, Rocket Slime. And I got the guide for that too, for like $3. Never played that, but I love Dragon Quest, so had to get it. Couldn't beat it for the price. I think Kmart had Hot Wheels pretty cheap there too. Next up I stopped at Target. Not too much there. But I did find some things I don't have. And I actually bought one of these Cars characters. They were $1.99. That's the first car character I've ever bought. And that's one of the only ones I want. Except, he's not on there. I don't have the pictures. I can't tell them apart. Alright, from here I got Kmart, not Kmart, Target. I got the IndyCar. Little logo right there. The rig. Camaro ZL1. I thought that was going to be a treasure hunt, but apparently not. Correct me if I'm wrong. I didn't see the logo on there, though. And the Porsche Spider. It's a really sweet Porsche. Next, I stopped at Kroger. Not the one I work at. Finally picked that up. I got sick of passing it off. Picked up one of those. I forget if I have it. I'm pretty sure I do. But I still picked it up though. The 70 Chevy Blazer. Hold on, someone's calling. Hey. Here, call back in. Here, let me call you back in a few minutes, alright? Alright, bye. Alright, where was I? I'm sorry about that. 70 Chevy Blazer. Neat artwork on there. These were 247, so couldn't pass that off. Which is weird because my Kroger's has these also, but ours is $3.99, so I'm not sure what's up with that. Chevy delivery. Let's see what I have left. Last stop, Myers. Picked up another highway hauler. The second one I've ever found. And I found quite a bit there. Including a treasure hunt. Yeah, that's right, the Myers I never find anything at. So definitely nice to find that there, once again, for a change. I had to get one of those. I want one of those to open. 3 more mystery machines. And like I've said in the past, I buy unlimited amounts of those. Same with the Redbirds. Found those 3 there. Last but not least, Ford GT Treasure Hunt. And I just noticed this, but it has a sticker on the back. So, obviously, it's, I forget what that means. Race Groups mentioned something about it, though. I need to go back and check that out. But definitely a shocker to find that there. I think that's like my 3rd one of those. Yeah, it is. So, you know what we're gonna do? Give me a second. This being my 3rd one, sorry about that wait. We are going to open it. I wasn't even going to stop there. So I got lucky. Really lucky. Yeah, I'm going to definitely start going to that Myers again. More often. As you guys know, I stopped going there for a while. But alright, I'm logging off, so peace out.